Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jamuna, Associate Professor of Management from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to discuss something related to Global Depository Receipts. Global Depository Receipt is a certificate issued by an international bank to a company against purchasing some shares of the same company which are then traded on international stock exchange. Simply, they are derivative equities which are traded in foreign markets, giving rights to shareholders for respective amount of local securities. In such case, shareholders are entitled to all dividends and capital gains. Thus, GDR allow investors in any country to purchase shares of company in any other country without losing the income or trading flexibility. GDR is also called as International Depository Receipt or Euro Depository Receipt. GDR is a financial instrument used by private markets to raise capital denominated in either US dollars or euros. GDR facilitates trade of shares importantly in emerging markets. So now let's see the procedure for issue of GDR in a company. Approvals for issue of GDR, first approval of board of directors, shareholders, regulators, regulatory authorities and financial institutions is carried out. Then the next thing is appointment of intermediaries. Intermediaries like lead manager, co-manager, overseas depository bankers, legal advisor, auditor and underwriters are appointed as intermediaries during creation of GDR for the company. Next procedure is principal documentation. Principal documents like subscription agreement, depository agreement, agency agreement and trust deed are made. Then pre and post launch. In the end, additional key actions like timing, pricing the issue, closing the issue, book building the issue, etc. are done. So now the procedure is done. Now let's move on to the advantages of GDR to issuing company. First advantage is accessibility to foreign capital markets. Then the next one is increase in visibility of the issuing company. Next one is rise in the capital because of foreign investors. Then let's move on to the advantages of GDR to investors. So this GDR helps in diversification, hence reducing risk. It gives more transparency since competitors' securities can be compared. Then the next advantage is prompt dividend and capital gain payments. Hope you all understand the Global Depository Receipt. Thank you so much.